Hello, it's another Mr. Curtis video toolkit, and this time we're looking at the objective to count on and back in multiples, specifically on and back below 100 for this. So we're around our times tables, but the numbers aren't in the times tables that we're looking at. Okay, first example here, let's have a look at it. 30, 37, 44, and then we've got some blanks we need to fill in. Now the first thing we need to do is work out what the pattern is. So what's the difference between 30 and 37? What's the difference between 37 and 44? And they should be the same because we're counting on in multiples. So 37 take away 30 is going to tell me what my difference is there. And I should find that that is 7. 37 take away 30 equals 7. Now I can check if that's correct by adding 7 on to 37, and hopefully the answer should be 44. So let's work that out. Yes, I can see that that's true. 37 add 7 does equal 44. So my gap is definitely 7. I'm adding 7 each time. So I've got to carry that pattern on because I'm adding in multiples, and this time adding multiples of 7. So I've got to add 7 onto 44. 44 add 7, I can do that in my head, I could do it in different ways, I could even jot it down and use the column method if I wanted to, but I know that 7 add 44 is going to give me 51. Okay, let's put that in the gap. Now I've got to do the same thing again, I've got to add another 7. So 51 add 7 is going to give me 58. Let's put that in the gap. And finally, I've got one more space to fill. So I need to add one final lot of 7. Let's put that in. And 58 add 7. I know my number bonds, and I know that 8 and 7 is 15. So that is going to be 65. Okay, so that's an easy one adding up. We found our gap. This one, though, looks a bit different. This time we're counting down. So what is the gap, first of all? So what is the difference between 70 and 61? Well, using my mathematical skills, I can know that 70 take away 61 equals 9. So my difference there is 9. Does that apply to this gap here? So let's try it. 61 take away 9. Does that equal 52? Well, I know that it does because 61 take away 10 would be 51. So 61 take away 9 has got to equal 52. So I can show that as 61 take away 9 is 52, and I've got my pattern. I'm taking away 9 each time because I'm counting back in multiples of 9 as per my objective. So now I've got to carry that pattern on. So I have got to do 52 take away 9. 52 take away 9, nice and easy. If I take away 10, that would be 42. Add 1 back on, that gives me 43. And then I've got to do 43 take away 9. Let's put that one in. 43 take away 10 would be 33. Add 1 back on would be 34. And finally, to fill my last gap, I've got to do 34 take away 9. 34 take away 9. If I take away 10, that would be 24. Add 1 back on, that would be 25. So there you have it. I hope that has helped you achieve this objective and get all those answers on the sheet right.